I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and I am tremendously excited to get this giant box of LaCroix water from LaCroix. You may call it LaCroix. I will not. I will pronounce it the French way, even if people on the internet yell at me about that. And I'm super excited because I reached out to LaCroix about a month and a half ago and said, hey, I know you guys are dropping 3 new flavors for the summer. We've got this beach plum, black raspberry, and then the Sao Paul, Guava Sao Paul. I hope I'm pronouncing that vaguely correctly. Why don't you send me some of it, and I'll add this to my ongoing quest to try every single flavor of LaCroix water. And sure enough, probably a month and a half later, I got this giant box. Presumably this is full of these new waters. Got pictures all over the sides here of the different flavors. And let's go ahead and open it up and see exactly what we've got. Okay, breaking into this. Okay, awesome. We've got the black raspberry. Let's see. Black raspberry in here. So I've actually tried this. I couldn't wait to receive my order here, so I just went ahead and got some at the supermarket. So I've tried this. I've already talked about it. It's got a really nice kind of raspberry blackberry flavor. Reminds me of those little gummy candies that have the raspberry and blackberry, one of my favorite candies. It's got like a jazz theme here with the berries becoming this little kind of musical stave going across. So that raz, I think, is supposed to be like jazz in there. Super refreshing, great summer flavor. I've got some other stuff. We'll look at this in a sec. Then beach plum. I have not tried this one yet. I've not been able to find this anywhere. I love the vibrant colors on the packaging here. I'm assuming this is going to be a plum flavor. And again, that beach aspect of the summer kind of flavors. This is the one that caught my eye initially. I love just, again, that saturated blue and orange contrast there. And the beach plum, I'm assuming they're going for a pun on beach bum on that one. So we'll try that out. We'll see what that one's like. I'll do a separate review for it, but that's the one I haven't tried yet. And then this Guava Sao Paul. This is tropical, but not that tropical. It's interesting. It almost has like a savory type of flavor to it. And it's not like a sweet, like you'd think of it with a passion fruit or something that has like a totally tropical type of flavor. This one definitely doesn't. It kind of reminds me almost of like a pomegranate or something, where it has like almost a meatiness or a kind of heftiness to it. So this flavor, again, I've tried. Beach plum, totally new to me, and black raspberry, tried it before, but super excited to have these here in this box. Can't help pulling one of these out. This is, again, I love the label on this. This is like a really nice, just again, saturated, vibrant colors, kind of makes you feel like you're on a beach. You've got the, looks like a mountain with some or fog bank in the background. We've got the plums hanging out here over on the side. I'll definitely try this out once I chill it, and really excited to try that new flavor. And let's see what else we've got. So we got this Passport LaCroix Destination. So let's see. Savor the journey, excite in the destination, dream with LaCroix, and go beyond taste. Beyond taste. So this is the concept, I guess. Again, the beach feeling for these. Tropical, this beach plum, and then black raspberry. I'm not sure how this exactly feels like a beachy flavor. Feels more like a kind of like dark night, maybe sitting around a fire pit type of thing. But maybe that's the concept there. And let's see what else we've got in this Passport. Awesome. So this is the Guava Sao Paul. We've got the waterfall in the background. We've got some guava fruit cut open there. And let's see what we've got. Constant cravings, stamp your passport. Oh, so I guess I got a passport. Maybe that's something else in there that I can find. Anyway, beach plum, the taste of cool summer. Yeah, I love the art here. This is like a New England looking kind of lighthouse and a kind of wreck of a boat, it looks like, in the background. And then we've got these more like, it makes me think of like a New England beach with these little black stones. And then our beach plum. And I love how the water and the design on the can. Let's bring the real one in here, all merged together to create this constant landscape going across there. So the can becomes part of the background. Did they do that on the other one? No. So that's the concept there. I love the way that's realized there in that book. Let's see. Now here's Black Raspberry. That's interesting. So they've got it more like a, yeah, almost, I mean, this reminds me of Napa Valley. We've got wildflowers. You've got hot air balloons. You've got, again, that musical note theme coming out of it. And you've got these blackberries and raspberries in the foreground here. So kind of similar to what I was thinking. Not so much the beach vibe, more of like that, yeah, I thought of it like a fire pit or something. Make your taste buds sing. Again, that's that musical theme we've got coming in. And then let's see, Bon Voyage. We've got a little Vibe with us on Spotify. So I guess we've got a paired playlist. So I think they're playing on the theme of the fact that, you know, people haven't really been able to travel as much as they wanted to over the last year and a half, obviously. So this is like a little trip in a box. And I love that it's got that beach theme, but they've taken that in a couple different directions with almost more of that, yeah, the tropical type of feel with the guava, and then more of that, you know, I'm not even sure, wine country, a little bit more sophisticated, less of the beachy feel with the black raspberry on that. Let's see what else we've got. It's like a coupon for a free 8-pack or 12-pack. Great, I will definitely use that. And finally, we have this sticker set. We've got LaCroix Destinations, Boarding Pass, and we've got these little representations of everything that you would see in there. So I guess we've got a parrot, maybe the Brazilian theme, again, of Sao Paul being worked in there. The guava, we've got that New England style lighthouse. We've got that hot air balloon. We've got musical notes, and we've got Live LaCroix, the hashtag. Definitely will use that when I go ahead and post this video. We've got the different fruits that are associated with each of those flavors in there. So I love stickers. I will definitely be putting those stickers on everything. It's an awesome little care package here. And, you know, I'm not going to wait. I know I should probably, as a good content creator, break this into multiple videos and make you, the audience, wait to see what this beach plum is like. But to heck with that, I'm going to go ahead and not even wait and chill and just put it on some ice and try this out. Because I'm super excited to try the final flavor that I've not been able to find locally at all. I've not been able to find anywhere online like I did with the other ones. Let's see what this is like. Delicious, yeah. It's almost like the one of the more maybe traditional type of flavors. I think it tastes different from some of these new ones that have a little bit like extra notes, different kind of layers to it. This is just a little bit more like one fruit kind of forward there. Reminds me almost of like the orange flavors, some of the classic LaCroix flavors before they started doing more of the layering. It's just that solid like plum forward on that. Yeah, very refreshing, feels very classic. I can see why this is sort of like the flavor that anchors this new concept of Live LaCroix and this boarding pass and travel concept we're seeing here, LaCroix Destinations. Awesome care package. Thank you to LaCroix for sending me this whole set. Definitely try out these new flavors. I don't know when you're going to be able to find beach plum, maybe depending on where you are. You'll be able to find it more easily. I've been able to find black raspberry and the Guava Sao Paul in the supermarkets in the Bay Area where I am or online. But as soon as you see these drop, go ahead and try them out.